Hello friends, welcome to this section, section 6. We are going to see the built-in functions selectively on this chapter. So I hope you all are ready to follow this section. Before that, let me remember you what we did last time. Just we have seen that how to generate formula and calculations within multiple data table, absolute reference, which means represented by this dollar sign, and when we use this absolute reference, and we do some exercise, okay, in tabular form. We will see that table again, not today. In the next section, we will see how to we will exercise how to hide those unimportant lines. Okay, we can hide them because we don't need them. The percentage it is for ourselves, for our calculation, but for the others we can hide them after we make the calculations. Okay, we will see later. Today we focus on the built-in functions, especially those important for engineers. And we will exercise we will do some exercise. Okay, yeah. So as you know, the Excel has a multi built-in functions, and it is to make the complex formulas. Okay, it can consist a lot of formulas, trigonometric or other formulas like concatenate and the statistics. So we will selectively see what this do, but particularly I want those to focus on the what the concatenate do. Okay, this is very important than all of the for engineers, especially for surveying data, to collect to change the surveying data to maps and drawings. Okay, so we will see what it can do. So we will see now how to filtering data and sorting data, because why we do that, when we do that, we will see. Okay, let us go to the exercise part. Okay, look, this is the actual data that is collected for dam design or dam topo. Okay, dam topographic surveying data. Okay, as you see, this is the easting, this is northing, this is elevation, this is the remark, which means at 440 change for 440, this means change. Okay, the number shows you the change. So I think all of you know what the change means. It is a distance that you will take, the interval of the distance that you take the data. Okay, so this is the number shows that the interval you take the data, and C means it is center line. Okay, it is cross section. We take a cross section. Okay, for example, if this is, for example, if this is the line, if this is the area. Okay, consider this is the area just for briefing. Yeah, so I will take data here. Okay, let me add some. Just to brief you. Okay, yeah, this is not so if you took the data, you will take here just at the junctions of the grid. So, and you come here, you will take here. So if you make this is center line, if you make this is a center line, this one, that means from this to this is the left side, right side, 1 point, right side, second point, and you can continue up to you need it. And this is the left side, just following the direction of surveying. Okay, this is 0 0, and then this is 440. This is 400, other 440, like that. So left and right. You please try to understand what this means. So this is the surveying data that have been done actually. Okay, this is actual data. It is not for training, but it is actual data. Okay, so what we do with concatenate, just I want to show you what concatenate means. Okay, for example, if you want to take this this data to you have to take it to the AutoCAD. Okay, I use for time being AutoCAD 2007. It is the 2D. I will do it on the 2D only, easting and northing. If I add elevation, I will show you again when I add elevation. It can do all at this time. Okay, so let us start with simply with the 2D. Okay, 2-dimensional, just easting and northing to show where the points are. Okay, let me open the AutoCAD first. Okay, yeah, I use AutoCAD 2007 and Civil 3D, and we will do this again on Civil 3D. Okay, yeah, let us okay. Look here, you have to choose 3D modeling or AutoCAD Classic. This is a 2D. Okay, for time being, let me do it on the 2D. Okay, on the 2D, we will go from simple to complex. So I want to make those points to become here on this table, on this map. Okay, just let me show you one thing here on the to understand. Maybe most of you knows what AutoCAD can do. Okay, sorry. Okay, first we have to know we use two ways to draw or to make drawings. Okay, these are the tools that we use to draw drawings. Okay, maps. Okay, so we use either these tools, or we will go to here, the draw menu. When you draw, just these tools will come here, but these are shortcuts, so we can use this. Okay, so if you want to make a line, you use this, simply a line, a polyline. Okay, if you want to make points, you will come here. We use these two for the time being. Okay, I will show you when you come to the AutoCAD tutorial. Okay, the others, because we have to for the time being we use either line, this one polyline, or this a point. Okay, once you understand this, let us go to the Excel. What we do is we use the concatenate function. Okay, just click on this cell. You can make it anywhere if you follow the formula. Okay, then just click this function. When you click this function, by default it will insert equal to. Okay, we said that equal to, either we have to enter manually, or the function f of x. If you click on the f of x, it will insert by itself. So what we need the concatenate. Okay, by default it was here. I used it before. So what you do is, this is the most recently used. I tried it before, so it appears here. Otherwise, by default in your computer, it may be in this mood in all function. So draw down, just drag down and come to the concatenate. Okay, concatenate. Okay, yeah, it is here. Yeah, so click this. Yeah, so exactly AutoCAD can understand when the numbers are put in comma separated. Okay, the two data, the easting and the northing, will comma separated. Okay, you can make it manually, but this is the best way, because it will guide you. First, text one is just click on the easting. Okay, yeah. Then press the tab, the tab. What call this? The tab. Then it will come to the next. You click the northing. No, sorry. No, here the comma. Okay, comma. Then click now the tab. Then it becomes text 2. Just click this. Yeah, we use only these two numbers for the time being. For next we will see, we will add the elevation. For the time being, let us take only these two numbers. This is I have the reason why I do that. I will show you later. So this means B2, comma C2. This is the meaning of this interface. Okay, then click OK. Look, it puts like this. When you see it on the formula bar, it says B2, comma C2. Okay, this is a way how to we put this. Then drag it. Just by the way, you can drag or you can double click if the data are similarly allocated. It will do by its, if we double click on this, just I double click. Okay, this is one way of dragging, because you don't have to drag all this data. Then just click don't put your selection, don't deselect it, make it as it is, and go to the copy icon. Okay, just copy toolbar. Okay, yeah. So go to your AutoCAD. I want to make points rather than line, because topographic map use pointers on the grids, yeah, as you know. So I don't want to use this line. I want to put the pointers. Click here, just on the point. Yeah. Then what you do is come here. Just it says specify a point. Just near to this, after the colon here, click, right click, and paste. Okay. You see, it is doing on it. It is doing on it, as you can see here. Yes. So press enter. Sorry, I made some mistake. Okay, let me check. Look, can you see? Yeah. Let me show you again. You see, it makes all the points are coming here. Okay, just let me repeat for you. Let me delete this, and let me just, you make the concatenate, and you make the X and Y here, or easting and northing, comma separated. It is already selected. It is already we ordered the copy. Just it is ordered already, because this is active. So come to the AutoCAD, click on the point, because we want to put this as a point. So click near here, specify a point. Click near to the column, right click on it, and make it paste. Look how it draws these points. Yes. Okay, this is now you use your own topo. Okay, you can make contours here, you can make a lot of things. You can make an alignment here if you want to align. This is the dam body. Okay, this is the center line of the river where the dam is built. These are why the data are very, very near to each other, because cross sections are very specific and narrow. Okay, so the pointers are just showing the river direction. This is the river. This is your dam data. So you can make A lot of things on this. When we come to AutoCAD and Civil 3D, we will make a lot of things here. For the time being, I want to show how the concatenate do this type. Okay. Now let us go to another. Let us make it 3D or 3D. Okay. We see the 2D, and we have to show the 3D also the 3D view. Okay, but because we want to show this, these are only X and Y. Actually, there is no difference. The difference is if you take this specific point. If you take this specific point, it has X and Y value. Okay, X and Y value. But if I made it in 3D, it will have X, Y, Z. Okay, it will be the same. Okay, let me show you all. Let me make a line using line. Okay, let me come back here. It is active, so I can use. Okay, what happens if I make it using this line? Just click on the line and make the same. Copy. Look, because it join all the points with segments, with line, because this is senseless for us, because we can, what can we do with this? So it is meaningless. So it is using map is very good. Okay, so when we come to this AutoCAD in 3D, we will make here look to 3D modeling. Yes, I change it to 3D modeling now. All right. Yeah. So okay. So what I do is okay. Is it active? So what? Let me add now. Let me delete this, and let me let me add the elevation. Okay, for this part, click this. Use same because we use concatenate. So most recently, if you click this, it will come first. So make like this. So on the text one, click pasting and click your tab, and then make comma here. Then tab, click on northing, tab, comma, tab, and elevation. You see here B2, C2, D2 separated by comma separated. Okay, and here you see the figures. These are the figures, and just drag down. Okay, let me copy. Come here. Now come here on the draw part. Draw it. Look, 3D polylines. The previous one is 2D polylines. Now we can make the 3D polylines. These are different. This includes elevation. This has only easting and northing. Okay, so 3D polyline. Yes. Now come here, right click and paste. Okay. Okay, I think we made some mistake. Okay, let's try again. Let us try again. Okay, draw 3D polylines. Okay, there's some mistake. I think when we insert that we made some mistake. Okay, B2, comma, C2. Yeah. You see, here I make a point just instead of just when I touch my computer. Okay, yeah, it has to be comma. Yeah. Yeah, let us try now. Let us, yeah. Okay, we'll try. Yeah, always you can do a mistake, but you have to know where the mistake is. Probably this is my mistake when yeah. Yeah, it is generating. Okay, it is already generated. So it will be somewhere in the AutoCAD. What you do is to bring to front, right click and zoom. Okay, zoom, right click again, zoom, extend. Yes, this is it. Okay, this is the line actually. This line has its own elevation. It is different from the previous one. You can't see it. You will see how to make how can we see this data, what it have. Okay, so this is a way. So we have to make a 3D point rather than okay, 3D point. Yeah, we have to find, here is a point, here is a point, single point, multiple point. We have to say it's multiple point because we have a multiple point. It is not a single point. Click, then make the same, paste. Look, yeah. Yeah, we draw we put our topo here on AutoCAD in 3D. Okay, these all points have 3D. They put as 3D model. Okay, which means they have easting, west, northern, and elevation. Okay, yeah, I think you understand it well. Okay, let us come back to the training. Okay. Yeah. So we see what the concatenate do for us. When we come to Civil 3D and AutoCAD, we will do a lot in the future. So now you understand what concatenate can do. Just simply it is meaning separating by comma. Okay, separating by comma. So simply it is separating by comma. Okay, this is nothing else, but the form you have to follow what I did before. And when we come to the trigonometry and maths, we use square root. A square root function will use, because when we make templates or cross sections for either road or canal or dam center or whatever, just we will use this square roots, cos, tangent, logarithm, maybe sometimes if you want. So we will see these functions too. Okay, when we reach there. So statistics also. We may use statistics for some reason. For example, you can make some charts and you can make some okay, lines, or to show some projects, what they looks like, and for different things you may use the statistics, and we will see the statistics, and you can do by yourself also. We will see, actually we will see when we reach there. So now we will see what filter data and why sort data. Sorting and filtering is very important for you, very important, because if you sort data, what does filter means, what does sort means. Okay, let us go to exactly to the point. Okay, for the time being, let us cancel this. We don't need this, by the way, for the data. Once we do the drawing, this is meaningless on this table. So this is simply it's a draft. Okay, either hide it or you can make it. Okay, for example, you can make it just making the column width 0. When you make the column width 0, it will just hide. Okay, you can, there is no, so you can make it like that, or you can delete it. You can simply delete it. Right click on the top and then delete. So it will be deleted, because this is the data that should be submitted to the concerned body. You don't have to put this, what your calculations here. So concatenate, just I think you understand how to concatenate this data. Now let us go to filter. Filter means, for example, let me show you why you need filter and when. Look here, for example, this C is center line, R is right, 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 this is left from the center line, okay? This is center line, right, right, left, left. Look, all are here, right? We took the data at the left, center, and right. 3 points to the left, to the right, 3 points to the left, or 5, 6, whatever you want, as you need when you do the cross section, okay? So these are the indicators of left, either left or right. For example, if you want to draw the center line, you want only the center line. How do you do? Should you select and rewrite all these center lines? No. Excel can help you. Don't do like this tedious work, okay? So what you do is just select all. Just leave the heading and text only the data. Select all here, okay? Because I want to take out only the center line from this data, because center line sometimes very important. We can make a line, center line, we can draw the center line, okay? Yes, I select all, then go to the data, okay? Then here are the sort and here is the filter. For time being, let us see the filter. When we see the filter, click it. Yeah, when you click the filter, these icons will come. Look, in all these icons coming. Okay, what we need, where is our interest? Our interest is here because we want to select the center line. So click this on this arrow. Look, these are the varieties of data in this section. There are center lines, there are right side, left side, and if you go down, there are also another, simply topo, or yeah, here are topo, left, topo, simply a lot of things. What we need is the center line. Then this is all are selected. Uncheck this, yeah, all will be deselected. Then recheck the center line, only the center line, okay? The center line. Yeah, so yeah, a little bit this has a problem because center line has to be okay. Yeah, let us do for time being. Oh, I think this is, but you see, oh yeah, this is not right. Okay, now leave this and let us try and do sorting, okay, sorting, okay, yeah, just okay, because it is under filter, you see here it has to be, yeah, the center line. Yeah, just uncheck all. Let us do it for this time. But you see, your surveyor has to make uniform so that you can select. Because this surveyor has do just no coding. When it's, for example, making same coding will make you sure. But let us do like this. It is better to writing. But I will show you the correct one. This is a little bit. The data is not arranged in the way to filter at once, okay? So let us make like this. Just check on the center. Yeah. Yeah. Just make all like this. We can stop this for the time being. There are we left with the others. It doesn't matter. Just click on OK. Yes, look, we did up to this, okay? No, yeah, up to this. We left with some data here. Only we left two data. Yeah, we didn't take all, but but these are only the center lines. The others, there is no other data here. So what we did, but those other data are hidden now. They are here. They are not deleted. So what you have to do, exactly copy this data, copy, and open another workbook or worksheet, then paste it here. Now this is your center line. Okay, this is your center line. So let me draw a line. Now I can make a line, 3D polyline in concatenate, because I want to, where the center line is, I want to put on the drawing. Okay, what we made. So let us use our concatenate as usual. Right click here, tab, comma, tab, comma, tab, and the third one, then okay. Yeah, as what we do is, this is very broad. What we will do, we will come here, format, and out of it columns. Yeah, it comes it within the right click. Okay, I just dragged it once and come here and make draw 3D polyline. Yes, just come here, paste. You see, this is a damn center line. Okay, otherwise we can't do like you see, we make this a little bit the surveying problem. You see, the data may have wrong data, so this is why it comes like this. But this is what we did, the center line of, the dam. This is the center line. Okay, so it is 3D. Yeah. So for example, you have this drawing, but you do, maybe you get this, sometimes you will adjust the drawing here. You will adjust. For example, let me cut this. Let me avoid this such meaningless drawing. I may take this like this. Okay, yeah, I can correct like this, but I want to take this data again to Excel because it's changed. I make some adjustment here. What to do? Just follow me. Okay, just go to this the tools. Here are a lot of tools. I have to search for the inquiry. Okay, inquiry function. Okay, let me yeah, here are it doesn't added to these tools, but it is important. What you do is, if it is missing here, what you do is right click on any key and make it here, find it here. Just, this is inquiry. Okay, it will come now. Look, this is it. This is an inquiry. This is an inquiry tab. These all are inquiry tab. Okay, look, these are an inquiry tab. From this, we need what? Sorry. So what we do is, this is the list which we shows us the data. Okay, this first select your line. I take this line, then click this list. It will have this data. These are the explanations and something. What we do is, we want the data to export to the data. Look, this is the X, this is Y, this is the elevation is here. elevation is here. Okay, you see this X, Y, Z. Here are the points we want. So what we do is just select all, just from the beginning. It is here, the first point is here. So what we do is we click here and select it down. Select down. Still it says continue. We have to enter, press enter if it is continue. Yeah, still it says continue. Press enter, press enter, press enter, press enter, press enter. Now it is end. After this, there is no continue. So what we have to do is, look, we start, just leave the above one, because these are, yeah, you just start from this, come again, yeah, up to this. Okay, copy and go to Excel. Let me make another sheet. Right click and paste. It put like this. We can't, how can we differentiate this? How can we make the pointers only? It is a little bit difficult. Yeah, so what we will do is, again we come to data. When we come to data, here is text to columns. This will differentiate your interest. Okay, click on it. Okay, it comes like this. What we do is we comma delimited. It's comma delimited. Characters such as commas and tabs. It is not fixed. We use comma delimited. So next, yeah. So this is column, comma. We have to click here on comma. Yeah. You see, it differentiates all the data. So what you do is just click. Okay, let me use the other method. Okay, fix it. Okay, yeah, let us use this next, because the data is extremely fragmented, so we have to make some difference. So look, let us make some line here. Just you make a line here, and here is also a line. We make like this, and here yeah, you can make a lot of lines just to make them in different yeah, look, it makes like this. Actually, we don't need all the others, just delete where there is no number. This is the data is a little bit we modified a little bit, so don't worry. So what you do is, look, this is a little bit meaningful. Okay, yeah, let me look. Some figures are okay. There are a little bit some okay, the little bit. Okay, the data is not correct. Actually, this is a problem of sorting. Okay, yeah. Let us try below this. Okay, just because it is 3D. When it's 2D, it's very simple, but 3D is a little bit difficult. Okay, let us try this again. Okay, yeah, text to column. Yeah, you have to make the only one column, because all cells are here. You see, all cells are here. Yeah, we start from this. The figures are starting from this. Okay, First, let us delete what we didn't know. Just avoid this because they are not, we don't need them. We need only X, Y, Z. Okay, just clear this all texts. Yeah, these are confusing. Okay, just delete all like this. Yeah, we don't need them. We need only X, Y, Z. So what is left here? So we don't need this. Just this is an example. Just text the first column. All are in this point. Then text two column. Now it will comma delineated here. Yeah, it will exactly put the yeah. Let us make it okay. No, back. This is back. Let's fix it. Okay. Next. Oh. So no. Just let us delete this. Oh, this. Yeah, you see, this is the line. Just that was. Okay. Now let us delete it. Next. Still we have to see fix it widths. Yeah, look, it comes like this. So we make this different. This is one column. Then we have y is equal to, we will delete this, x is well. So just make it finish. Yeah, now delete this. These are the data. Okay, well, actually it is a we make it complex, but you can do it like this. Okay, let us try again from this data. Okay, because it has to be clear for everybody. So let us use where it starts. Yes, it starts here. Yeah, just drag down. I think points are in where we have to. Yeah, we can cancel, no problem. Yeah, go to Excel and paste. Yeah, first delete all the texts that are without the data, XY data. Okay, that is what why we confused. We just delete everything here. Yes, now it is the same. Okay, so delete everything here. Yeah, delete. A little bit tedious, but there is an option doing than this. Okay, these are how to export from AutoCAD to. When we go to Civil 3D, it will export by itself as it is. The data we'll see. It is modern. AutoCAD Civil 3D is very modern, and you don't have to do such tedious works. Just you do like this. Okay, I think it is a lot. When we do like this, let us leave the others. Okay, because it is killing time. Okay, killing time. So just you can do all this. Just let us see what we specify. This all data are putting here. They are on same. Look at the formula bar. All these seems on different column, but they are on same column. But we have to make them independent column for our data. So just click this text to column and use a fixed one. Then next, it's this lines comes to differentiate your lines where you want. Just I want to this all to be deleted. Then what? I don't need this comma, so I make this line here in the between the comma and the numbers. Again, I want to differentiate the comma from this. Then I want some line here, look, and some line here and here. Okay, this is then the next. Okay, so this is it. You can delete all except the three numbers, the three columns with easting, northing, and elevation. Okay, this is a way. Just exercise it. This is a way how to export your data from AutoCAD to Excel. Okay, saying this, next we'll see sorting. Okay, sorting, it has the same function as the same function, but it will make your data. It will make your data separating in different, for example, values greater than this, or this type colors, or the C, for example. Yeah, we can say, okay, let us select all and sort. Look, always you have to uncheck this because it includes the header. We don't need the header. We have to uncheck it. So these are column B, C, D, E. So which column we need? We need this, the E one. So just click C, E. We need this. So depending on the values, or depending on the values, or you can make colors, you can make font color or whatever. Therefore, cell color or font color, that means the. So if we said okay, look, it brings the 0 0 at the same time, 0 right, 0 left, 0 and 10 10 10. Okay, the changes. Okay, it makes a little bit. Those with same figure comes together. Okay, comes together. So this is sorting, but actually it is not used here for surveying data. But you may have different data that may have, for example, if you want, if you have some kind of salary marks, maybe if we have, let us see, if you have a salary scale, if you put it in descending and ascending order, it makes you ascending and descending order. Okay, so it is very, very important to do that, but we will see with example another time. We will do a lot of worksheets, so we will see here and there these functions, how do they make them. For example, if I want to let me do it again. Yeah, that makes sense. For example, elevations, I want to make the elevation in descending order. So let me do that. Yeah, this makes sense. Elevations in descending order or ascending order. So where is the elevation? In D column. So click here, make D. Okay, yeah. So it is a value from the smallest to the largest, or vice versa. Let me make from the largest to the lowest. Yes, you see these are the largest from the largest to the lowest. Okay, to 2439, 2437. Yeah, this is decreasing in the decreasing order, as you see. This is what very important, because not for this worksheet, but for others, you may have the sequence arrangement for like that. So sort is used for such type. And if you have different color, for example, let me show you in color. Let me make this colors, different colors. I make this yellow, yellow, and just yellow, yellow. Let me make this green, or let be like this. Let be again here like this, and let me make this like red. You may have different codes as you want. So Excel can, I want to make the colors with the same colors in the same order. So just select all. You have to, by the way, you have to select all, not only the column that you want to sort, but all, because the data should be move with the data, the columns that you use. Otherwise, it will take only the values in this and make the difference. Okay. So, for example, if you make this data, and if you select only this, it will go, and the elevations will, the x and y z are here. This will go somewhere else. So it has to move with all its order. So you have to select all the table to do that, except the header. So let us sort this. What I want to sort is the D, column and D. Yeah, select column and D. I make the color, cell color. Okay. So so look those with no color has come here, and the colors are coming down. That means, so look, you see, these are I don't know why yellow comes here, but these are same color. Look, this is how we can do the sort and filter. So I think you understand well about sort and filter, and the next chapter, sorting data, especially in surveying data, is very important. Okay, sorting is very important for engineers than filtering. Filtered data is very important, and sorting used sometimes to make an order, or decreasing or increasing order, or in alphabetical order. You can make like that, or in the scale values, whatever you like. Okay. So conditional formatting, last week we see it. You use a lot of things to make your table well informative and attractive. Okay. So today we see the filter, and we see also the how to export and import data. Simply, we see from AutoCAD to Excel, from Excel to AutoCAD, and we will see next time from Google Earth and to Excel, and data from Excel to Google Earth, Global Mapper, GIS. Next time we will see all these things. Okay. Don't forget, please, to subscribe, like and share this video, because I didn't see subscribers so far. There are few subscribers. I'm new to this video. I will improve what you see here. It will be improved. Okay, it is long year experience, so I have a lot of things in my mind, but maybe I improve how to present. Okay, so you will help me just subscribing and by sharing, all of you. Thank you very much. This is the end of today's class. Thank you for watching, and next time we will deeply into the details of this importing and exporting data, and arranging data or surveying data like that. Okay, thank you very much.